Hello, this is 2 Enemy Ninja. This time I got the Eggmobile, Eggman, and Extreme Gear Board Knuckles. Let me start with Eggman. Eggman with articulation in his arms and legs. No articulation head. He comes with the Eggmobile with the ripcord, but I don't know how to do that. That's sorry. But he does stand up nicely in the Eggmobile. Now Knuckles. No articulating in his arms, legs, and head rotates a little. We go into extreme gear and the rip core as well. And then all those stand up nicely on it. And then, sorry about that. Sorry again for during this review. Well, that's the review and goodbye.